Hello and welcome to a new tutorial on the GRECA platform. In this video, we will see how, from the assessment we have already created, on the platform we can create our first investors matching report. To do this, on our GRECA session, we must click on our assessment and from here, access the investors section. With our company profile, our access to this functionality will be limited, as we are warned in this automatic message. As we can see, the platform shows with how many investors from GRECA's database there could be a match. Now, we can filter the matching to adjust it and optimize our search. We can filter by the matching score, by the quality of investors according to the platform, by country, and by the type of investor. Once we have customized our search, we can download and access our investors matching report. Once downloaded, the document will show us where the investors are located, in which sectors they are focused, their quality, and finally their profile.